There are different types of brush inside of GIMP. So over here you can see that I have a brush selected, and if I were to go around and draw around, then what happens is that this is a certain type of brush that is being used. So if I were to go around and then click and hold this out right here, then you can see that I get different brushes right here. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around onto Windows and then onto dockable dialogues and then go around onto brushes. And here you can see that there are different brushes that are shown over here as well. So for example, right now this little dot is a basic brush right here, and you can see the word basic over here. If I were to go around over here and select out another brush, then you can see that this is another basic brush over here. But if I were to go around over here on to, let's say for example, another brush, then the other is a media brush, as you can see right here. So media brush is dynamic, means if I were to click on this, I have one brush and click on it again, and you can see that you get different strokes of brush right here. And that is what media brush is. You don't get the same pattern each and every time. So over here you can see that this is a media brush as well, and you can see that there's different sort of output every time over here. If I were to go around onto legacy brush, then this is an old type of brush right here, just like this, and this is another media brush again, as you can see right here. Like there's a different sort of brush over here and so forth. So there's basic brush, media brush, and there's texture brush over here as well, which provides similar texture, as you can see right here. So that is what you have. So apart from that, there's sketch brush, as you can see right here, which actually goes around and shows up same type of brush right here as well, and so forth. So you can see that there's legacy brush, there's splatters brush right here, which splatters out ink right here, just like this, and there's other type of brush. If I were to go around onto the drop down menu right here, then you can go around and filter out onto basic brush right here, just like this. So there you go. So there's the basic brush, there's the fun brush, the legacy brush, and so forth right over here as well. And then you can go around and then see different type of brush right here. If I were to go around over here on the top and type in sketch, then you can see only the sketch brush. On type in media, then you only get the media brush right here. And that is how you can work around with it, as you can see right here. And as you click every time, you can see that they are different. So that this is how you can go around and work around with different type of brushes and choose different type of brushes inside of GIMP. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.